Here's how I changed the 12-volt AGM battery in a Mercedes. Before we begin, please note that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a mechanic, just a car enthusiast that likes working on cars. Always seek professional advice if needed to prevent injury or damage to property. I will not be going over safety topics that you should know before doing any DIY car work. Please read the disclaimer in the video description. Fracking Creations, showing you the good stuff. These are the tools I used. Microfiber towel, socket wrench with adapter, extension bar, T45 Torx bit, small socket wrench with 10mm socket, LED light, and bungee cord. 1. I always put on safety gear like gloves, safety glasses, and such. 2. I turn the vehicle fully off and wait 30 minutes. This is supposed to allow onboard control units to go to sleep mode. 3. With the hood open, I put the hood into service mode. 4. Unlock the 3 clips and open the battery compartment cover and hang it up using the bungee cord. 5. Connect the battery maintainer to the positive, then the negative charging posts, and then plug in the maintainer. This is to keep the memory settings. 6. Remove the cabin air intake pre-filter cover by lifting up and lightly pulling off. 7. Remove the battery breather tube. 8. Remove the negative terminal using the small socket wrench and 10mm socket. Then wrap the microfiber around the terminal to cover all exposed metal of the terminal. I removed the negative first since it is safer for a negative grounded vehicle. 9. Move the negative safety cap from the new battery to the old battery to prevent accidental short circuits. 10. Remove the positive terminal using the small socket wrench and 10mm socket and set it aside and out of the way. Just a quick reminder that you should be aware of safety procedures before attempting any DIY car work. 11. Use the large socket wrench with extension bar and Torx bit to loosen the battery clamp. I don't want to loosen too much to the point that the clamp comes off, just enough to loosen the hold on the battery and allow it to be removed. 12. Remove the battery carefully using my core strength so I don't hurt my back. I need to be careful because the battery is heavy and has strong acid inside. I don't want to drop it either. This is what the battery tray and battery clamp look like. 13. The new battery comes with a new vent hole plug. Instead, I removed the plug from the old battery and plugged the same hole on the new battery. I will keep the new one as a backup. 14. I now transfer the negative safety cap from the old battery to the new battery. 15. I carefully lift and put the new battery in and position properly and flat onto the battery tray and into the battery clamp. 16. I use the Torx socket wrench to tighten the battery clamp into place. It should be tight but not over-tightened to prevent stripping the thread of the Torx bolt. The battery should not be movable now. 17. I put the positive terminal on and hand tighten. Again, I tighten but not over-tighten such that it strips the threads. The terminal should not be movable now. 18. The positive terminal cover should go on next for safety, but I mixed that up. I move any cables out of the way so the cover can go on properly. 19. The negative terminal goes on last. I'd like to quickly put it on and make sure it stays on while tightening, as there might be a small spark when connected. Again, I hand tighten tight but do not strip the threads. It should not move afterwards. 20. Put the battery breather hose back on. Make sure it is in all the way. 21. Put the cabin pre-filter on and close down properly. 22. Unplug the battery maintainer from the outlet and remove the cable clamps. 23. Reinstall and close all covers properly. Lock all 3 clips. 24. Remove all tools from the engine bay and verify all are accounted for. 25. Wait 30 minutes before test starting the vehicle and make sure everything is working as expected. 26. Put the hood out of service mode and close. All done, but here are some bonus tips next. Lots of steps, but quite straightforward and definitely less expensive than having the dealership do it. If you want to know which battery type to get, watch our other video on replacement AGM batteries for Mercedes. FYI, I bought this Energizer H7 AGM battery for about $284 Canadian, including taxes, at Costco in 2023. A battery from the dealership would have cost upwards of $500, plus additional costs for labor and shop fees and any other fees they choose to add on top. When you buy the battery yourself, you will pay an additional environment fee of about $10. Just bring your receipt back with the old battery to get the fee refunded. If you found this video useful, please like and share it. Subscribe for more good stuff to come.